Go back to the three ingredients. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو اللَّهَ وَالْيَوْمَ الْآخِرِ وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا. How badly do you want Allah? In your prioritization, how much do you factor the hereafter over this dunya? And then how often do you remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rather than seeking the remembrance and the mention of someone else? If you cast your qualities in those three regards, then whether you are in ease or in hardship, you are in a constant state of elevation. Don't lose hope in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's promise. Don't lose hope in Allah's mercy. But at the same time, build yourself to an added layer of potential through engaging in voluntary discomfort for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I end with the one story of our mother, or the sister of our mother, Asma bint Abi Bakr, radiyallahu ta'ala anha wa an abiha. And when Abdullah ibn Umar radiyallahu anhuma wanted to go and offer her condolences over the crucifixion of her son Abdullah ibn Zubayr radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, she said, how could I not be patient when Yahya, the son of Zakaria, was beheaded and his head gifted to an adulteress? How could I not be patient with what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has struck me with? You want to be with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? You want to be with the prophets? You want to be like the prophets? Then seek to have the motivations of the prophets. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala finds you to be that sturdy vehicle, then it doesn't even matter if your car ever actually gets into that collision, because Allah Azza wa Jal already knows what you're made of and He knows what's in your heart. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala build us in a way that is pleasing to Him. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the best of this life and the next. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow our brothers and sisters under oppression to pass their test, and allow us to pass the test of being with them in their oppression and being a source of alleviation for them in their oppression.